Good day everyone, Mike Schwartz, HUI Operations Manager here. Excited to talk about our new opportunity. So out on the shop floor we have a robotic welder. First impressions really blew us out of the water. Huge for our culture, huge for our product line.
How it works is you've got a grid on the table, you've got your different fixtures. Your fixtures get mounted, plant it where you need it, hit your go button, and I can start to do multiples of these, right? So we think about the labor aspect of it, spending more time welding all the time versus arc on, arc off. But think about quality. Where this is going and how that is held is a very consistent path every time. So that allows the visual piece of the part to look the same and the structure to actually be just as strong every time.
My name's Trevor Cobot. I'm the Cobot champion. The goal behind the Cobot is to increase quality of our welds, to make repeatable processes. This is a good example of it. Normally it takes 3 separate people to weld it, and it's a fairly involved job. The way we're trying to run it on the Cobot now is with one person running every single step across the bed, one by one. So it would be a flow, it would require less people, and it's have repeatable weld. If the material is where it's supposed to be, it will weld the same weld every single time, which is something a human is not going to be capable of doing long term. Over a 10-hour shift, if you weld the same part over and over and over again, there's going to be variance, whereas this machine, as long as it's fixtured properly, it will repeat that weld every single time. I've ran some of these jobs. They're very labor intensive. It's nice being able to put the ones that are exhausting on here. Once it's programmed, it should just run it the exact same every time. All we have to do is load it and then do finishing after. I'm looking forward not to kill my back on certain jobs.
So the first part of this process has gone so well that the excitement has taken us to buy 2 of them. This is just one, but this fall we have a second one that's to be integrated into another cell. It's fun when you buy one piece of equipment, but then the whole team gets so excited around it to buy a second piece. That's the fun that's going to carry through the fall this year.